there is a lot of cold outside. You're already tired. At this point of time, you'll find that you have to close your left nostril. And you have to activate your Ida, which is right nostril breathing. If you activate your Ida, you will find that you are actually getting energy, heat. And if you are activating your Pingala, you're cooling yourself down. So in summer, you have to activate Pingala, left nostril, and you will find that our body is so intelligent. The feedback mechanism is so strong that in summer, if you go in sun in summer and you are sweating, automatically actually body close our right nostril, and you will find that you are just breathing by left nostril only. When I'm sitting here and it's cold here, my right nostril is working now, not the left nostril. Automatically the what you can say that the sinus will release a little bit of mucus inside the left nostril. Left nostril will get little bit close, and right nostril will get activated, and there will be breathing by right nostril. Now you'll say, what is connected with pran? Now we are coming to that. Pran is Vayu. Yes, they are very close to the answer, but pran is not Vayu. Pran is much more than that, because even without Vayu we can have pran, right? The pran is there in the fetus. Is there Vayu? So Vayu literally means air is not there, but there is a circulation. Correct? Nobody could determine that at what point of time fetus get its pran started. They could determine that, okay, this is the time at which the lub-dub moment or PQRS wave of your heart, of the fetus heart started, but they could not find out where the pran started. The pran is actually the energy started, right? They could not determine that. So pran is not Vayu, but Vayu is very close to pran. Vayu is very much close to pran. I'll tell you what is pran. You have seen that you are very tired, okay? You are hungry, very tired, and at the same time you will find that somebody came to you and say, boss, your work is, I don't know, where are you coming from? You don't know this slide, how to do this slide. This is a very simple slide of transition. You are not worked in AMS. All this thing happened. Now you go home and there is an envelope you saw. This envelope is that tomorrow you will receive the 10 crore in your account as a result of lottery ticket. You have taken it so and so date, so and so, from government of India. Okay? Now see the change. Was 10 crore. The job is over. Now here Vayu is same. Both the condition. But pran is high. The pran increased actually in between. Why? Because your mood enhanced. So pran is a mood enhancer. Pran is everything enhancer. So you will find that in Pranmaya Kosha, which is above the Annamaya Kosha, you will find that pran is much more connected to Vayu, but it is not Vayu. But Vayu can definitely change the pran. It can definitely increase the pran. It can have a capacity to increase the pran. Why? Why Vayu only? Why Vayu boss? Why not if I eat, say for example, Shrikhanda and Basundi and Puri and Tilgul? Recently there is a Makar Sankrant, right? Why not Tilgul? Any thoughts on
Because
this?
we breathe, breathing is constant and always happening while we are alive.
I am always eating. So,
Maybe,
so even
maybe because when we breathe, it is the immediate action, you know. Otherwise, everything else will take time. Like even if you eat till good, it will
okay.
take the whole time for the digestion and everything, right? Then
Yeah.
only you will get there.
So what I will do, I will continuously eat till good. So whatever I ate, digestion, suppose digestion needs suppose 8 hours. So continuously I will eat till good 8 hours. So the 8 hours before whatever that pran has gone inside, that will come up. Now I am start eating for the next 8 hours. Right? So I'm sorry, I'm playing a devil's workshop because I want to clear the concept of pran. Yes, but it is a very good try. Anand, I think. Anand. Yeah, please.
Breathing in and breathing out, you take positive in and negative out to do.
Yeah, breathing in. Okay, we consider breathing in is pran. Breathing out is something which is rest. We are expelling it out. But where comes the pran here? Right? It's very difficult calculation. It's in the corporate logical sensed brain, well sensed brain. It is not fitting. Correct? And there is a challenge because we all think logically. We are all logical experts. The body is not logical. That there is a problem. Body is not logical because the logics of body, they are depending on many other things.
It's one of the fuel required to get the pran all the energy.
Absolutely, Ashish. Absolutely. It is one of the fuel. It is one of the fuel. My question is why it is one of the fuel? Why not water? Why not this one, our food? Why not Shrikhanda? I want pran. I will eat Shrikhanda. I like it. Why not pizza?
I think everything is required. Energy.
Excellent. Everything has pran. Everything has pran. Excellent. That's very good answer. But then why Vayu? Question, no?
Volunteer is a pran, vayu, oxygen, right?
Yeah, pran, vayu, oxygen. But my question is, it is very near. But why Vayu only?
Because we cannot live without air even for a moment. We can live without water and food for some time.
Yes, very near.
It's the most critical thing.
Sorry.
It is the most critical thing to.
Most critical, yes, I agree with you. But where it connects to pran?
I think Vayu has a positive impact in the sense positive energy goes in form of oxygen and all the negative energy that is in form of carbon dioxide comes out. So,
Correct.
That is required to use other fuels, right? So food. Without oxygen, you cannot digest that food. Without oxygen, you cannot digest water even.
Yeah, correct.
So that is the most critical part.
No, but without water I cannot live. I will live probably 3 days. That is also true. So 7 days, 10 days I cannot live without food. So ultimately it also has a brand. So actually yogic sciences should start eat more. Correct? Eat more. Then you will get a brand. But yogic sciences say you start breathing. You start breathing.
Science is mostly same. Main thing is yogic science is saying control your breathing.
Exactly, you are very near. Very near. Now you are thinking.
Without air, you cannot live.
Without air, you cannot live. Right.
You can stay, with hunger. Without
water for days, and but without air you can hold only 1 or 2 minutes only. That's it. Or might be
Correct.